In this part, we are going to add the Firebase Adapter. So each time the user log in with email, it will have a record inside the firestore. So now first we go to the Firebase, and then we type a project name, and then we disable the Google Analytics, and then we create a project, and then we click continue. And then we go to the Firebase Firestore, and then we click Create Database and start in test mode. And then we click Enable. Now after it already created Firestore, we go to the project overview, and then we click on the web. And then we name the app name, the nickname, and register app. Now there are two packages that we have to install. One is the Nextauth Firebase Adapter, and the other one is the Firebase. So first we have to go back to our project and go to the terminal, and then we type yarn add Firebase. And then we copy the documentations and copy how to install the Firebase Adapter. And you can see this is experimental. So after we already demonstrate how to use the adapter, we will better use back the MongoDB, because this is just experimental. And now we are going to import the Firebase Adapter. So we go back to the Nextauth, and then we paste here, and then we also import the initialize app, get app, and also get apps from the Firebase app. And then we also have to copy the function from the Firebase Firestore, and then we go back to the Firebase website, and then we copy the Firebase config file. And then we go to initialize the app, and we are going to check if there is already has the app. If no, we are going to initialize. Otherwise, we get the initial app. And then we have to get the DB from the get Firestore. And then we are going to add the adapter, the Firebase Adapter, and then we save it. Now we can go to type yarn dev API off, and then sign in, and then we go to here and we log in with our email, and then we click sign in, and then we will receive an email like this, and then we click sign in. Now it will back to the home page, and if you look at the Firebase and go to refresh, and you can see we have the session informations and the date, the token, and also the user ID, and also we have the user, we have the email, and we have the email verified.